Hello, for Wairarapa Local News, I'm Brent Gare for Wednesday the 1st of March. Belgravia Leisure have won the contract to take over the Masterton Pools. The company is an Australian-owned and operated company, and it is hoped that many of the current staff employed with CLM will retain their jobs. 6 properties owned by the Masterton Trust Lands Trust are to be offered for sale following a review of the Trust property portfolio and the recent identification of structural issues with a number of other Trust buildings. The Trust plans to offer for sale the properties such as ITM Building in Railway Crescent, as well as the Chemists, Burger King and a block of 3 shops in Kitapuni. The properties have an estimated combined value of between $5.5 and $6.5 million. A housing assessment survey needs to be conducted and is now underway. With the goal of researching the rental housing needs of Wairarapa residents, the research is being conducted in 4 stages. The gathering of information, face-to-face interviews and community consultation, and the implementation and review. Anyone wishing to be part of the survey is asked to contact Sandy at Connecting Communities. And in sport, the new Martinborough Football Club have announced the launch of a new senior and revised junior teams at the rugby club rooms. The day will feature a guest, Paul Eiffel, who will be taking a coaching session for some of the kids aged 8 and up, and the day takes place in Regent Streets in Martinborough on the 25th of March from 11 a.m. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.